Recently, Papua New Guinea marked its fifth Independence Day with great pride, honor, and grandeur. Representatives and Prime Minister from nearly 20 nations, including major countries such as China and India, attended this magnificent celebration. The presence of former Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison, along with the current Prime Minister, made the occasion even more special. The Duke of Edinburgh, brother of British monarch, was also in attendance. International media from around the world gathered to witness this historic moment. On this significant occasion, Australian High Commissioner Mr. Ewan MacDonald spoke with God servant and expressed his amazement at his accomplishment.
Every Sunday. So he asked me to go and preach one time, so I'm going to preach.
During this remarkable celebration, recognition was given for the impactful work being carried out in expanding the kingdom of Jesus Christ, saving souls, establishing churches across the nations, and spreading the word of God worldwide. God's servant Apostle Dr. Ankuri Sundarula was honored with the Global Shepherd Award. Through his life's ministry, he has demonstrated a Christ-like heart, bringing hope and guidance to millions of broken lives. Through his social initiatives and humanitarian efforts, he has reflected the true essence of compassion and humanity. In recognition of these monumental contributions, a special resolution was passed in the Parliament of Papua New Guinea, conferring upon him the Global Shepherd Award. This honor represents not merely an individual achievement but a legacy of service, dedication, and love that transcends borders and touches lives around the globe. The Global Shepherd Award stands as a testimony to faithful service, unwavering dedication, a global inspiration to humanity. When lives are lived in the way of Jesus, their impact is felt across the world. Congratulations to Christians around the world on this moment of honor and celebration.